Hey Samad, have you noticed how much trash is lying around in the park lately?
Yes, it's really sad. People throw plastic bottles and bags everywhere without thinking.
I know, we need to do something. I think we should start by spreading awareness.
That's a good idea. We can also organize a cleanup day with our friends and neighbors.
Definitely. And we should also tell people to use dustbins and avoid single-use plastic.
Right. Reusing and recycling can help a lot. Even small steps like carrying your own water bottle matter.
Also, planting more trees can make a big difference. Trees keep the air clean and provide shade too.
True. And let's not forget saving water and electricity. It's all connected to protecting the environment.
Exactly. If everyone does a little, we can all live in a cleaner, healthier world.
Let's do our part and inspire others to care too.